Like, I did my makeup and everything for this. So I'm about to head to my first ever yoga class. I'm doing yoga in the Plaza. I'm super excited about it. I'm also a little nervous, got a little anxiety, I'm not even gonna lie. But I got my yoga mat. She ready. Got some water. We ready. Towel, because we outside. Got my little fan thing. You know, it's gonna be an experience. But I'm ready though. Like, I haven't seen anybody arrive yet other than like the yoga instructor. And I'm sitting in my car because it's still very early, and like I say, it's hot outside and it's humid. So I'm just in my car for like another maybe 5 or 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna go up there. So just some of my thoughts leading up to this. Of course, I just about talked myself out of showing up at all. Then I was like, no, because I don't know, I read something somewhere, something about the money you spend on items and things you don't necessarily remember, and a lot of times you don't even have those items for like a long time, but the money you spend on experiences, you know, you remember them better, and it's just money well spent. So it's only $10, which is a great price. So the time is now 7:18. It starts at 7:30, so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and start like going up there. But I'm about to check my heart rate. Girl, it was just 67 like 2 minutes ago. But like I say, I'm about to get out the car. I'm trying to take some deep breaths. Girl's at 80. Like, woof. Oh, I'm surprised it's just 80. I was expecting it to be a little higher than that, but yeah, I'm about to go ahead and get out and go up here. And we're gonna make it so what it's so bad. Like they did a really good job designing this, and they just redone it to include like a splash pad so that people can get wet out here or whatever.
Squeeze those shoulder blades in and down, forearms moving towards your back. One more breath. Slowly make your way to a tabletop position. So wrist up the shoulders, knees bend the legs. Toss your down knees, lift your heart, look up, elbows towards the sky. Round your spine like an angry cat. Tuck that tailbone in and down. Push the mat away from you.
Well, I am walking back to my car. I will say that it was a success. I really enjoyed it. Like, yo, totally zoned, like in my zone, in my groove, doing my thing. I really enjoyed it. I'm looking forward to the next one. I got a little information about like some belly dancing classes and some different yoga events and all sorts of things. Like, people are so resourceful. Like, you never know what's in your city until you get out. Sometimes all it takes is one event. Now look at me. Finna go to some other stuff. Not today, but eventually. I'm gonna check the calendars. So now I'm about to go home, take a shower, makeup off, probably take a couple pictures since I did my makeup. You know, this looks really cute. I'm waiting on this car to come on so I can go. I gotta eat. I haven't ate yet. I didn't want to be trying to do yoga on a full stomach. So that is what we're doing.